How to redeem Pizza Hut promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here you will find the search box. Type in Pizza Hut promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you working promo codes for Pizza Hut. Now go ahead and open any of these. I have selected Time Magazine. After you open it, you're gonna find tons of deals and offers. Now you can go ahead and select the offer that you want to redeem. Just click on Show Coupon. Make sure to check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, now I can copy it. Now to redeem this code, you can head towards the website of Pizza Hut. For that, click on View Discount at Pizza Hut. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Pizza Hut. Now you can log into your account, go to the menu and confirm your order. While you check out, you will find this section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and you will get certain amount as a discount. Likewise, you can also try out these offers. Also, you can go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you promo codes for Pizza Hut. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can easily redeem Pizza Hut promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.